a feel-good factor every day. Sound sleep at night. Better health. In short, peace of mind. Can this really be achievable?
Our vision is to make every individual lead a life which is full of happiness, peace of mind, good health, and complete freedom. And the individual has to live in complete harmony with nature. And our mission is to see that people understand how the technique of USP is used to enable complete happiness in their lives.
The Genie Club, based on the Ujjwal System of Positivity or USP, seeks to empower an individual by enlightening him on the vast potential which lies within. The Ujjwal System of Positivity, USP, has been painstakingly developed by Ujjwal Narayan Uke, an IAS officer and an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. He has a vast experience of 34 years as a chief executive in sectors like regional development, small industries, transport, housing, agricultural marketing, and women and child welfare. USP is a thought science, and the core theory has been improved over the years, and more than 1,800 satisfied participants have tasted the difference in their lives through USP.
It's important to understand that there is a barrier between your conscious and your subconscious mind. And this is very important because when everybody says use your subconscious mind, it's very easy to say it, but most people don't realize that since there is a barrier between the two, it's extremely difficult to permeate this barrier. And our technique will explain to you how you can permeate this barrier, how you can actually command the subconscious mind to do your bidding. That is the technique which we would like to explain to you.
The Genie Club trains people to understand the reasons behind their current situation. Once this is done, the system goes further to train people how to alter their belief system to change their reality. This means increased wish fulfillment, better health, and a free and peaceful life.
In order to fly this body, you need to understand its parts. The conscious mind, subconscious mind, this body and their relation with each other. Subconscious is very, very powerful. You order something and he will get you like this.
USP explains the complexity of the human mind in simple language and easy to understand terms. The goal of the system is to have as an end product an individual whose life is full of happiness, peace, good health and freedom.
हम जब कोई चीज़ खरीदने जाते हैं तो उसकी ज़्यादा कीमत देते हैं? नहीं ना। वैसे ही जो कीमत हमने खुद पे लगाई है उसके ऊपर कोई एक दमड़ी भी आपको नहीं देगा। यही है आपकी सेल्फ वर्थ। जब हम अकेले बैठते हैं और खुद से बातें करते हैं तो वो बातें क्या होती है, वही है आपकी कीमत।
USP just breaks it all down in refreshingly simple and logical pieces that are as easy to grasp and, most importantly, concentrates on application of this power. The Genie Club conducts USP workshops of 2 days duration with personal counseling included. Single-day workshops are also conducted. The workshops are held in major metro cities and even deep in the hinterland. The focus is to enlighten every person to live a happy and contented life. Training in the USP is imparted by way of specialized courses. The training consists of theory as well as practical aspects.
The script of life comes from the beliefs and value systems of an individual. For example, if a person carries a belief that relationships are hard to maintain, then he is going to face the turbulence in any relation he or she gets into.
The Genie Club conducts specialized single-day and two-day workshops for the corporate world. Besides enabling work-life balance, the sessions address the causes of mental stress of employees and how they can be easily reduced. Human resources managers can certainly rely on the Genie Club to ensure a more dedicated, satisfied and efficient workforce. A personalized one-to-one session with highly trained counselors is provided at the end of the workshop to guide every participant. Moreover, every participant can take part in activities conducted by the Genie Club throughout the year.
My example is that of someone who made some wrong choices and wrong decisions and had to face a lot of things in life and lost a lot of things in life. So that's when I heard about the USP camp and their methodologies and the process that they explained for me to get out of it brought about really good positive changes in my life, and today I can say proudly that I have the best relationship. My marriage is going really wonderful and also a successful career.
Success, prosperity, improved relationships, and most importantly, improve you.
When we say forgiveness, what comes to mind? Forget, let go, ignore. But actually, forgiveness is setting ourselves free from the negative emotions like anger, hurt, pain and revenge. Many a time a question arises, how do I forgive when it hurts so much? So forgiveness is something that you do for yourself to set yourself free and move ahead.
The Genie Club also conducts a Positeens workshop, which aims to empower the teens with the USP theory. Imagine the application of the theory by the youth at an age when there is no baggage, an almost clean slate, building the next generation. The Genie Club conducts camps for the socially deprived, such as orphans, children of sex workers, and juvenile offenders, in keeping with its commitment to an inclusive and happy society. Special camps for gender sensitization are also conducted. Sessions have been conducted in the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration for the IAS, IPS and Civil Services officers. A matter of pride for us.
5 साल पहले मैंने ये यूएसपी कैंप किया था और तब मेरी शादी को 10 साल हुए थे और मुझे कुछ इशू नहीं था, तो बहुत बुरा लगता था। तो उस कैंप में मैंने सर से ये जब बात बताई तो सर ने मुझे कहा कि एक तुम ऐसे एफर्मेशन लिखो कि तुम एक बहुत छोटी प्यारी बच्ची की माँ हो। तो वो एफर्मेशन मैंने लिख दी और वही लेकर मैं मेरा रूटीन बिता रही थी और वही विश्वास के साथ मेरा काम कर रही थी। तो एक दिन एक ही साल में मुझे ये न्यूज़ मिली कि मैं माँ बनने वाली हूँ और अभी मैं ये 2 साल की प्यारी बच्ची की माँ हूँ और बहुत आनंद से मैं जीवन बिता रही हूँ और मुझे यहाँ से बहुत विश्वास मिला है।
Membership with the Genie Club ensures priority counseling at discounted rates, a daily dose of USP messages, a chapter meeting which is a gathering of members for getting their queries answered and topics revised, besides networking. The Genie Club also organizes refresher camps along with the founder at exotic locations at discounted prices.
About a year ago, I was diagnosed with a non-malignant tumor of ovaries, for which I had to undergo surgery followed by chemotherapy. As I had done the USP workshop recently, I came to know that it was because of prolonged resentment I had. I overcame the resentments because of the affirmations I was given. Thus, I had painless and side effectless chemotherapy, and now I am leading a happy life.
Your thoughts create your reality. No one else's, but yours. The Genie Club is all about you, to help you lead a more fulfilling and satisfied life.